Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Homeowner. I'm Rob. Today we're going to make some pizza burgers. So it's going to be, we got brioche, buns, we got ground beef patties. I just made them. We're not going to do smash burgers or anything. We're just going to do regular old burgers. I put some Italian seasoning in there, a little bit of minced garlic, and we're going to put these on there. Then we're going to top them with some pizza sauce, some pepperoni, and some mozzarella cheese. Let that all melt in nice. Toast the buns, put it all together, have an awesome burger. So, getting things ready here. We finish up, and we'll be right back. Okay, let's get these burgers on. Pretty big guys. Good guy. Got about high heat. We're not smashing them, but I am just going to flatten them down a tiny bit. And I'm going to turn these other guys down to about medium low, here and here. And I put these little holes in the center. Not really holes, they're more just like indents. Otherwise, if you just have a big flat one, it's going to end up making this like a ball. So you do that. Once it's done, it ends up being like a hockey puck perfect thing. You'll see. Not all the time. Sometimes it doesn't. Give these a bit, and we'll be back. Okay, so I just flipped them. I want to get this nice sear on both sides while it's on high. Let it go another minute or so here, then we'll turn it down to about medium low. These guys are so thick. This is 3 pounds of meat right here. So it's a little over ½ pound each, right? Because that'd be 1 pound, 2 pound. Boop. So what are they, like 0.65 pounds each? So turn it down a little bit. I'm going to actually do that now. And then let these go, give them another couple minutes, flip them again. And we'll do that until we feel like they're probably medium rare. Medium rare. All right, next step. These guys are going along well. I've flipped them a couple times since. It's on low. This one's on low, this one's on low. I'm gonna turn this to off. This is the pepperoni we got. Just right from the deli. These are, well, like 3.5 inch or so pepperonis. And I'm just gonna put one on each sandwich. It's already cooked, obviously. But I want to get them on here, just get them a little fun. And you can see they're already kind of curling up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would take these off the heat. The other thing you could do with these is slice them a little bit so they don't curl up like this on you. Did that with the Taylor ham video. Check that out. But it looks like we can kind of squish them. And again, they're cooked. I'm just trying to give them a little flavor. See how much more fun they look? All right. I'm gonna grab something to put those on. Keep an eye on these guys. All right, we're ready. And I just want to show you here. Inch and a half, baby. Look at that. Let's get some cheese on these bad boys. No, you know what? Let's do this. Let's top them with that. All right. Now we'll use a little bit of cheese. This is mozzarella. So I've got this guy off now. This is low. But you can see there's plenty of heat. Use this giant dome. Help melt that cheese. Let's get these rolls on. For the rolls, we're using these brioche buns. Better hurry up here. I need 5 of them. Thing is, these aren't cut. Woo! These are getting hot. Alright, I didn't put any butter down or anything. These are fine. You can put butter down. I have a butter wheel. I haven't loaded it up with some butter in a little while though, so. Because that one takes like 2 sticks of butter in order for it to just hit. Alright, let's check these. They're still going. Going pretty well. I don't want to rush it. I'm going to turn up some heat on these buns though. Let's recap a little bit. We did the burgers first. We threw down the pepperonis. You could use the big pepperonis. You could use the small pepperonis. Threw some mozzarella cheese on there. We'll sauce them once they get on the buns. Okay, let's check these out. Turning off everything. Everything's off. Woof. Oh, look at those. They look amazing. Get rid of this. And now, let's start making them up here. And we only use this to throw some of the pepperoni on. I'm going to take some of these buns. Look at that, nice and toasty. Put him on. Put his guy with him here, so we have it. The next one, nice. Put his match next to him. his match next to him. These are hot, I'm telling you. I told you. Told you it was going to be hot. Match next to him. And this is getting a little heavy. Well, got one left. Stick with it, Rob. You can hold it. You can hold on to that. Alright, that didn't work. Woo! Alright, so now if we push them all together. Let me do something here. Let me put the cover on. Yeah, I couldn't get that sticker off either, huh? Crazy. Hate that sticker. Oh, it's doing that. Alright, so now we got these. Next step, let's put on the pizza sauce. Oof. Oh, look at that. Man. Messy. Awesome. Alright guys, these look amazing. I don't even want to put the lids on, but I have to, right? Put the lids on. I'll get one on a plate, and we'll eat that in a second. Man. Be right back. Alright, let's cut into this burger. So you saw it. I'm going to cut it because I want to see what the inside looks like. And I'm going to share with you what the inside looks like. Not normally a burger cutter, okay? Don't let that rumor spread. Rob's a burger cutter. That looks awesome. A pink inside. Here, try it. Sorry, do you want to see it? And now I'm going to try it. It's giant. I'm in Italy. Tastes awesome. Yeah. This was super easy too. Paper towel. So, burgers on. Make them however you want. Rare, medium. As they're coming up to where you want to be, about 5 minutes or so, throw that pepperoni on. Get that kind of curly. You can put a slice in it so it doesn't like turn into a bowl like mine did. Or just use those mini pepperonis. Use those. I'd put at least 3 on there. You know, transfer them to the burgers. Melt some cheese. Put a dome on. If you don't have a dome, that's fine. If you have a cover, you could use that. An old pan, maybe like a hat you could use. And then once the cheese is melted, put them on the, once it's starting to melt, put the buns on. Once the buns are toasty and the cheese is melted, match them together. Pour that awesome pizza sauce around it. And there you go. The only thing I would probably change, I think I'd definitely put more cheese on it. Maybe put them on the bottom of the bun and scoot them all together. and then just put a giant pile of cheese, melt that, and then just kind of cut them apart after. Might try that later. And then also pour all the sauce on there too. Then you could heat that up. I should say I should have done that, right? So I'm gonna finish eating this. Hope you guys had a good time. I did. Leave some comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We've got a lot of great stuff coming up. If you aren't a channel member yet, consider joining for that. That's just down below. Just hit the join button. Also, and a shout out to Dad Life. He's one of our members who clicked that join button. Check his channel out. Awesome channel. A lot of Blackstone stuff. And also Alton from the Dog Father. He's a member. And if you'll notice in the description, if you're a member, I'll put your YouTube channel in there. If you're a pro member or a plus member, I think it's called. But also check me out Friday. I think I'm hooking up with Alton for the Dog Father on his channel for a live. That should be pretty fun. But I'm getting hungry. The food's getting cold. Leave some comments below. Hit that thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Yeah.